guys. So today, me and Finley are making a homemade planter box, and so we have our paint here, and Finley also has his paint, and we have our brushes. So yeah, we're just gonna see how this turns out. So first, we're going to open.
And your planter box is made out of?
A tin can.
So any tin can you can grab at your house. And what's cool about these little homemade do-it-yourself kitty projects is we really wanted something to kind of accent our fence line. So these are actually going to hang on the fence. And it's real fun because it's something that your kids can get involved with. So
I have to get my flashlight.
they have each picked their own colors for their own tin cans. And Lily, would you like to go ahead and show what color you picked?
Oh yeah, I picked turquoise, this pretty turquoise. And Finley picked this really dark green. That's also really cute.
Kind of pastel-y green color.
And I'm going to paint
Super
my
cute.
tin can this color, and then I'm going to do some polka dots.
Okay, so we're going to show you how they start off painting, and then we will come back when they're done painting and show you the finished can.
Okay. So, just going.
And Finley, my 3-year-old, likes to smell everything, so sorry he just smelled his can of paint first before he started to paint.
Okay, so
It's
just
better
going
than
to go
you
like
do.
this. Oh, that's so pretty! Okay.
Wait,
Ooh, I like that color, Lily.
wait, there's something wrong.
Oh, Finley! Oh my gosh!
Oh, Finley, of course, is 3, and he's globbed on the paint and is getting it everywhere, but that would be why we laid down plastic garbage sack.
But he just got it
first.
on the concrete too.
Oh, that's fabulous.
Okay.
Anyway, stay tuned to see how this messy project turns out later. Hi there, we're back again. Paint has dried on our aluminum soup cans. So I just want to show you guys how beautiful the colors turned out. Lily?
This one is super cute. Finley's in the background. He didn't want to do his polka dots because he thought he would mess up, so I'm doing his polka dots. But this is really cute because it's like an acrylic color. And Finley's also turned out cute because it's kind of like a frog color, but he did pour about 2 inches into his can, even though we're supposed to leave that and I left mine alone.
Yes, so for all you moms out there trying to do it yourself projects and keep your kids busy during these quarantine times, and I just threw this project together, so we didn't have any paint smocks on, and my 3-year-old got paint all over himself. There he is. Say hi, Finley.
Hi.
And paint all over the concrete and just about everywhere. So now phase 2 of our little project here, the paint has dried, and Lily is going to decorate. What are you going to do?
I'm going to do pink polka dots. And
Onto her planter can.
I'm just going to kind of dab it on there. I kind of want big polka dots.
Can you
Yeah.
just do it now?
And then she's going to write her name on there.
Yep, and then I have to do the same with Mr. Gibbs.
And before we plant, my husband's going to drill a couple drain holes in the bottom of the can so our plants can drain. And we'll be back after our polka dots are on and our names are on and our holes have been drilled, and we'll be ready to plant. Okay, let's see the first polka dot, Lily. Ooh,
super
cute. Let me zoom in. Let me see. Oh, I love it. It's perfect for Easter colors. Beautiful. Okay, stay tuned for the final project. Okay, hi there, and we're back. Overnight, we let our little aluminum can flower pots dry. Lily did put on her little polka dots. Show the camera.
Super cute.
Aww. Okay, and what about the other one?
And this is Finley's.
Aww.
Puppy.
Super cute.
And
Finley has turned into a puppy this morning, so if you see a Dalmatian running across the stream, that would be my 3-year-old that has transformed into a Dalmatian puppy.
woof woof.
Ruff,
There's
ruff.
our real puppy. Check move.
Okay. So, Lily, do you want to explain what you're doing now?
So my dad punched 2 holes in on the bottom.
Drilled.
2 holes on the bottom.
Let me see.
They look like 2 eyes.
Yep.
And then, so when you put water in it, it doesn't drown in the water, and the water can drain.
Yes.
And what we're supposed to do.
And he also put another hole on the other side, and that is where we're going to hang. Lily, I need to see it, please. Hold it. That's where we're going to hang it from the fence.
Yeah, and you also want to go outside and just find.
Oh, I'm sorry. My dog is now taking a dump in the back of the video. So, geez. I'm telling you, we are amateurs to the core.
So you can just go outside and find a rock. and just put it in the bottom so that will help the plant drain.
Was that a good dump, Jack? Telling you. Okay, so now we're going to put the plant in the pot, and then we are going to fill in with our potting soil. So stay tuned. Once we have them planted, we will come back and show you, and then we will put them on the fence.
Okay, so this is what they look like after.
Yeah.
This one's super cute. It fit right in there. We didn't really have to add any dirt. His, on the other hand, we had to add a few little shovels full. So
And don't forget, we put the little pebbles in the bottom to help facilitate better, proper drainage.
and make sure you get outdoor paint because we accidentally washed some of that off, but that's okay.
We'll touch it up.
Yeah.
Now my husband is gonna hang the hook. We're just using a small little mug hook for the fence, and we're gonna hook them on.
And then we'll show you what they look like at the end. Okay, so this is what they look like. They look so cute. So
I just absolutely love the way these turned out. We're kind of transforming our backyard and doing some different flower beds.
yeah, like
We
that.
are first-time home owners, and so we're trying to transform into some flower beds back here.
Yeah, she's in love with that watering can. She
But I
loves it so
really
much.
fell in love with the idea of doing something up on the fence and something that the kids could really call their own. And so as we get more aluminum cans, we're going to keep adding on to this section of the fence with what we can actually call the kids' garden.
And what you can just go to Lowe's and get like these hook things in the tools section, like the screw section, and you'll just find these. And what we could do is we just screwed it simply into the fence, and if you can't put your can on with this, you can take pliers and just bend it. Simply bend it.
So the hook's not as steep, so you can get it on there.
But don't bend it like so much that it'll break. Just bend it enough so it'll hang the cans.
Oh, all right. Stay tuned for more DIY. And we will certainly update as we add additional planters onto our fence. Oh,
Make
yes.
sure to like and subscribe.